Welcome to day 34 of me backtesting my way to success. I'm still sick, so I want to be in bed. So let's just get right into the charts. Okay, so first trade was a win. The reasons why I entered were 4-hour fair value gap to the upside, 4-hour order block to the upside. I marked this area of equilibrium, fit perfectly, but right here I wanted to enter off of a break of structure. The price just went even lower and even into this 3-hour fair value gap, order block to the upside, sorry. And so I had to place my stop loss below this order block. Take profits were this area of liquidity and this one. Both were hit, and let's just see how the next trade goes. Next trade was a loss, and the reasons why I entered were this 4-hour fair value gap. I used equilibrium again from the swing low to the swing high, matched up with the fair value gap, so I waited for a break of structure once it was below the equilibrium. So right here I entered. Take profits were previous areas of liquidity, those three, and stop loss was below the fair value gap. I got stopped out, no matter how much breathing room I have given it. Price just completely went down, and I honestly don't know why, because I had my three confluences. You can't always predict the price, but I want to know why I lost, and not just you can't always predict the price. If I just say that, I could always say it and not learn anything, but I honestly don't know why I lost, because right here was also a clear break of structure to the upside. So I could have also entered right here and still would have gotten stopped out. And same thing right here, clear break of structure to the upside, still would have gotten stopped out. So I honestly don't know why I lost, except for the reason that you can't always predict price. But I don't know. I don't like. I don't want to. I want to learn from something from this trade, but I'm unable to right now. Maybe I don't know. Maybe I would have been able to if I was not sick, but I can't change that. So let's just see how the next trade goes, and if maybe maybe I'll get a realization as to why I lost this trade, or maybe you guys can help me. I would appreciate that a lot. So let's just see how the next trade goes. Okay, next trade was another loss, and the reasons why I entered were equilibrium right here, sweep of liquidity from this area, and a break structure I entered. Take profits previous areas of liquidity right here, this area of liquidity. Also this area of liquidity, since it bounced 3 times, and lastly this area of liquidity. I got stopped out instantly. It looks like price is going to go into this 4-hour, I believe, order block. I think it was a 4-hour order block, and then maybe go down. Let's just see how the next trade goes. Next trade was another win. The reasons why I entered were 4-hour order block to the downside right here. Equilibrium from this swing high to this swing low. And it matched kind of up with the fair value gap, so I waited in a lower time frame. But then price just kept going up, and I thought, okay, yeah, might just take out this area of liquidity, which it did. On a break of structure, I entered. And I entered once the break of structure was clear, since right here. I could have entered, I was thinking about entering right here, but this candle told me, because of this huge wick, I thought that, okay, there's a lot of buy pressure, price might just go higher. And so I waited, and right here there was this clear break of structure. Stop loss was above the area of liquidity. Take profits were, I did it in a 15-minute, this area of liquidity right here, because I had 3 bounces, obviously. This area of liquidity, since it stood out. Also this area of liquidity. And right here I was thinking, okay, do I just not place any more take profits? But there was this huge gap, so I thought, yeah, this area of liquidity might just also be taken out. And lastly, this area of liquidity, which was not hit. And so right here, once price reversed, like at this area, I moved my stop loss to above this area of liquidity with a little breathing room. I got stopped out, which is fine, still made profit. And yeah, let's just see how the last trade goes. And the last trade of the day was another win. The reasons why I entered were 2 hour fair value gap to the downside, 2 hour order block to the downside, equilibrium again, swing high to the swing low. Since we're in a downtrend right now, I entered off of I didn't enter right here since I was, to be honest, holding this shortcut and I missed the entry point. So I didn't enter. I thought, damn it, but that's just what it is. And then price went into it again, and I thought, okay, it looks like to me price is going to go into this order block, maybe even take out this area of liquidity and then go down. And that's exactly what happened. Price went into the order block. It did not take out this area of liquidity. I still entered and placed my stop loss above the area of liquidity just in case. Take profits with this area of liquidity, this one, and this area of liquidity. All were a hit. And that's already it for today's episode. Like I said, I'm sick. I honestly don't want to. I don't want to. I just want to lay in bed. Today was a pretty good day trading wise, and yeah, I have no idea why I lost this trade, to be honest. But that's just what it is. And this one right here, honestly don't know if I recorded this trade or not. I'm feeling kind of, I'm just sick, so I have no idea what's actually going on right now. So we'll see you on the next one.